Suntech, ST-C360 Installation and Operation Video. Leading innovation in cylindrical printing. ST-C360 Operating Procedure. Install and test PC stand. Align the rotating arm with the washer screw hole. Tighten the 4M510 combination screws in sequence. Assemble in the order of M510 spring washer flat washer. Align the rotating arm with the screw holes of the display bracket. Tighten the 4M510 combination screws one by one. Align the rotating arm with the washer screw holes. Tighten the 4M510 combination screws one by one. Assemble in the order of M620 spring washer flat washer. Align the computer stand with the machine's screw holes. Tighten the 4M620 combination screws in sequence. Lower the main unit tray. Connect the power cable to the machine's power port. Plug the power cable into the power strip. Turn on the power strip. Take sponge. Open the main door. Rotate counterclockwise until the sponge loosens. Remove the sponge. UV lamp. Water tank. Insert the cables in sequence and tighten them. Cut the cable tie on the water pipe. Prepare for liters of purified water. Unscrew the cap. Pour the water into the UV light water tank. Fill the water level above the H mark. Tighten the cap. Turn on the UV light water tank switch. Test voltage. Set the relay to VAC voltage. Measure the voltage between the neutral wire and the live wire. Measure the voltage between the live wire and the ground wire. Measure the voltage between the neutral wire and the ground wire. Turn on the leakage circuit breaker. Insert one end of the Ethernet cable into the machine's connection port. Insert the other end of the Ethernet cable into the computer's connection port. Test buttons. Test buttons. Unzip software. Open network, right-click Properties. Click Ethernet Properties IPv4. Select Manual Obtain or choose to obtain manually. Change the IP to 192.168.127.1. Subnet mask 255.255.255.255. Click Set to save the changes. Unzip the software compressed file. Open the folder. Open Print Expect64exe. Fixture and head test. Enter the software to test the fixture rotation. Click left fixed counterclockwise 360 degrees. Press and hold left counterclockwise rotation. Click right fixed clockwise 360 degrees. Press and hold right counterclockwise rotation. Press and hold ahead move left. Press and hold back move right. Click Y reset, Y-axis reset. Install fixture. Install the testing fixture according to the bottle's neck for printing. Install the testing fixture based on the bottle's bottom for printing. Tighten until it is secure and does not loosen or wobble. Debug platform. Enter the main control screen. Press and hold to initialize the device. Click to clear the alarm. Enter the debugging screen. Press and hold to activate the intermittent clamping. Press and hold to release intermittently. Click to return to the origin. Click to enter the lifting axis interface. Press and hold to move upward intermittently. Press and hold to move downward intermittently. Click to enter the I or O stepping interface. Press and hold to increase the tilt angle. Press and hold to decrease the tilt angle. Press and hold to move the UV light forward. Press and hold to move the UV light backward. Preprint test. Adjust the fixture according to the bottle length. Loosen the fixture screws. Fix the fixture approximately 5 mm away from the bottle neck. After adjusting the position, tighten the fixture screws. Clamp the bottle. The left side controls up and down. Adjust until the bottle holder supports the bottle body. Fix the bottle holder on the right side. Release the fixture. Measure the printing length. Adjust the UV light shield according to the printing length. Clamp the bottle tightly. Raising platform to the printing position. Adjust the bottle so that it does not exceed the parallel surface of the printing platform. Fix the UV light approximately 2 mm away from the bottle body. Remove screw. Remove the screws on the front cover of the vehicle. Remove the cover plate of the temperature controller. Remove the front cover of the vehicle. Remove the screws on the front hood of the vehicle. Remove the front hood of the vehicle. Ink supply. Remove the ink tube stretch film. Low ink alarm red light stays on from the buzzer. If the LC alarm goes off, it indicates that the safety bottle is full. If the K alarm goes off, it indicates that the K black ink is low. The same applies to the others. Locate the ink refill port. Shake the ink thoroughly. Top up the low ink colors. Find the K signal wire and insert it into the headboard. Software warning at the bottom right. K ink channel low ink. Find the K ink line. Open the cap and place it into the waste ink bottle until it is fully drained. Use a hemostat to clamp the ink tube to avoid ink leakage. Tighten the cap. Release the hemostat. Unplug the K signal line. The bottom right software warning disappears. The bottom right software warning disappears. Insert the K sensor into the circuit board. Insert the K sensor into the circuit board. Apply the same steps to the KMI alarms. Empty the safety bottle. Install and test printhead. Open the ball valve. Install the KC printhead this side facing outward. Tighten the printhead fixing screws. All printheads should be positioned tightly against the base in the same direction. Install the My printhead this side facing outward. Check whether the printhead is installed level. Loosen the mounting base screws if the printhead is not level. Get the Torx driver ready. Loosen the Torx screw. Wiggle the printhead base. Wiggle the printhead. Check if the printhead is properly aligned. Tighten the printhead screws. Tighten the printhead base fixing screws. Locate the inner K-ink tube bow. Use a hemostat to clamp the ink line to avoid ink leakage. Cut off the ink tube plug. Connect the inner K-ink tube to the inner side of the printhead. Release the hemostat. Locate the outer K-ink tube. Cut off the ink tube plug. Connect the outer K-ink tube to the outer side of the printhead. Locate the inner C-ink tube. Use a hemostat to clamp the ink line to avoid ink leakage. Cut off the ink tube plug. Connect the inner C-ink tube to the inner side of the printhead. Release the hemostat. Locate the outer C-ink tube. Cut off the ink tube plug. Connect the outer C-ink tube to the outer side of the printhead. Cut the printhead circulation water hose to an appropriate length, about 15 centimeters. Connect the printhead circulation water line to the printhead. Use a cross-serial connection method. Open the printhead ribbon cable connector. Plug in the printhead ribbon cable metal surface proper. Clamp the printhead ribbon cable connector. Operate the other printheads using the same method. Start the machine. The printhead is operating normally. Connect the K-signal cable. Start priming to remove air from the printhead. Printhead. Water tank. Open the printhead circulation water tank. Fill with purified water. Tighten the water tank cap. Connect the water tank power and turn it on. Thank you for watching.